I did not include 10.6 in the homework. I hope I removed that from the module overview statement or sheet. For this chapter, you're doing 10.3 and 10.9 from the book, and then the study guide. So 10.3 is a problem where you've got it's a restaurant problem where you've got food sales, you've got other sales, and then total sales. And then there's an asterisk that says for the percentages that you're just going to use food sales. So you got fixed and variable costs. I didn't set this up in a income statement form. I just went ahead and went straight from the form that they had in the text. We're going to get the same answer. So I went ahead and, of course, I added up all the fixed costs, and I got $150,000. And then I took the labor and their percentages, and I multiplied it by 600,000. And I've got a total of 312,000. So if we add up our total expenses of 462,000 and we subtract it by 630,300, we get 168,300 for net income. Of course, I have all the answers in red, so that doesn't mean they're negative. They'd be negative. Your net income would be negative if it was in a parentheses. Then for 10.9, we've got a room, and we're using a pretty simple and common method for forecasting our room's income or loss. Somewhere along the way, we calculated that it costs us $5 a room in labor and $250 a room in supplies, and we've got a fixed cost of $100,000 for our room overhead. So first thing we need to do is we need to calculate our total rooms. And we do that by taking rooms available times occupancy percentage times the days in the period, and we're doing this for a year, so it's 365. So when we do that, we get 27,375 rooms. To get our revenue, we're going to take our total rooms and multiply it by our average daily rate or our selling price. ADR is an acronym or abbreviation for average daily rate. And we get $1,368,750. Now for our variable expenses, we're actually going to use the rooms. So the $136,875 is $5 times the total rooms of 27,375. We get $136,875 again. Our fixed labor is $100,000. And then our other expenses are $2.5 per room, so we multiply the 2.5 times the 27,375 rooms, and we get $68,437.50. When we add up all of our expenses, we add up our variable labor, our fixed labor, and our other expense, we get $305,312.50. We subtract that from our revenue, and we get $1,063,438. I'm sorry. And one of the questions that the book asked, I believe, is if that we needed to make $1 million in our rooms, and we did do that. And the other thing it stated, let me just pull over to it because I didn't cover them, was that oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. And 75% of revenue. So if you were to go ahead and take your revenue and multiply by 0.75, you actually get more than $1 million. So we're going to go ahead and accept this proposal either way. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me again.